How to cancel Spotify premium subscription. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as you cannot do this process from the Spotify application. So once you have opened your preferred browser, in the search bar, search for spotify.com. Further, go ahead and log in with the account that you want to cancel subscription from. Once logged in, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for view account. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the account tab and then to the subscription tab and you will see the option for cancel subscription. So tap on the cancel subscription option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the continue to cancel option after reading the terms and condition and then tap on the continue to cancel option. Finally, tap on the yes cancel option you see there and with this, your Spotify premium membership will be canceled. So this was about how you can cancel Spotify premium subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.